Do you know who you are, what you're supposed to be doing, and how you should be doing it? What if it's not about discovering your destiny, but rather remembering it? The Five Stones Retreat offers a safe and comfortable space for women to be liberated, inspired, and mobilized to rest, reset, and refire their imaginations to dream beyond the natural. It is a place of reflection and learning, healing and growing, where they are encouraged to put God first and rediscover His blueprint for their lives. So join us September 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, 2022. Kingdom Warrior Woman, you are invited to this global online retreat. 5 international coaches, 3 days, 1 life-changing opportunity. Have you ever said to yourself, I feel lost. I've been through so much, wearing so many different masks to please and serve the expectations of others. I don't know who I am or what I'm supposed to be doing anymore. I feel discouraged. Surely I'm not the only one. I want to know my purpose and exactly who God made me to be. I don't want to feel stuck anymore. This wilderness season is over. I know I'm called to something bigger than this. I am ready to rise up and remember who I am. If this is speaking to your heart, the Five Stones Retreat is ready to partner with you and equip you for your kingdom assignment. The Back to Life Coach, Karen Stallion. The Freedom Coach, Ingra Green. The Mission Builder Coach, Lynette Rainville. The Abundant Life Coach, Jen Mallon. The Life Application Coach, Tina Benoit. The Five Stones Retreat Global Online Webinar, September 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, 2022. Rest, reset, and remember